Exciting news for Sony enthusiasts. It looks like a brand new high-end Sony camera is on the horizon. And this isn't just speculation. It's practically confirmed. Based on recent developments and official registration details, Sony is preparing to unveil a serious piece of gear within the next couple of months. This upcoming model is expected to sit comfortably in the mid to high-end range, signaling that Sony is doubling down on performance, build quality, and cutting-edge features for professionals and advanced creators. Sony has officially registered a new camera in China under the code WW84760, and that's a big deal. Historically, whenever Sony registers a camera in this region, the official announcement typically follows within 1 to 3 months. A perfect example was the Sony A7V, which was registered in October and launched just 2 months later in December. Given that this latest registration happened in early February, it's reasonable to expect that we'll see the official reveal by late March or early April. This timing fits neatly with Sony's pattern, and with major upcoming industry events like the NAB show in April, which traditionally focuses on professional video and cinema gear. One of the most telling clues about this mystery camera is where it's being manufactured: Japan. That alone suggests it's no entry-level model. Sony typically reserves Japanese production for its premium lineup. Think of the A1, A9 III, A7S III, and FX3, all cameras known for their top-tier specs and price tags. In contrast, more affordable models such as the A7V are produced in China. So, the fact that this new model is being built in Japan strongly hints at a camera aimed at professionals or serious enthusiasts. Another major detail revealed by the registration is that it supports Wi-Fi 6, which not only ensures faster and more stable wireless connections, but also signals a focus on modern workflows, remote control capabilities, and high-speed data transfer, features that pros rely on. Although the registration doesn't specify the model name, there's a growing consensus among rumor sources that this could be the long-awaited FX32. Several industry insiders have already mentioned that the FX32's development has been completed, and Sony could be planning to introduce it in time for the NAB show. That would make perfect sense, as this event is one of the biggest gatherings for video and broadcast professionals. The FX line is Sony's cinema-oriented series, blending the best of mirrorless tech with cinema-grade capabilities. The FX3, for instance, became a favorite among filmmakers for its compact design and strong performance, but it's also quite expensive. A new model like the FX32 could be positioned as a more accessible, yet still high-quality, option in Sony's cinema lineup, something between the FX30 and FX3. That said, there's still a chance this new camera might not be the FX32. Some have speculated it could be the long-rumored A7S4, A7R6, or even an upgraded APS-C model like an A6900. Sony's current lineup has several models that are due for updates. For instance, the A7R6 is expected to launch later in the year, possibly around October or November, while a new A6900 would fit nicely into Sony's typical APS-C release window in the first half of the year. There's also talk of an A7C3, the compact sibling of the A7V, which could arrive around late summer. However, because this newly registered camera is made in Japan, it's unlikely to be the A7C3, since the A7C line is generally produced elsewhere. If the speculation about the FX32 turns out to be true, then we can expect some very intriguing possibilities when it comes to its internal hardware. There are two main theories about what sensor it could use. One option is that it will feature the same 24-megapixel global shutter sensor found in the A9 III, a groundbreaking sensor that eliminates rolling shutter distortion completely. The other, and perhaps more exciting possibility is that it will debut a new partially stacked sensor. This would represent a new generation of imaging technology from Sony, offering improved readout speeds, better dynamic range, and enhanced low-light performance. According to the latest rumors, Sony has several new sensors in development, including a massive 180-megapixel medium format, partially stacked sensor that's set to appear in other systems later this year. It's plausible that a smaller version of this new sensor technology could power the FX32. If true, this would put Sony in a strong position against recent competition from Nikon and Canon. Nikon's ZF and Z8 have been praised for their performance and price balance, while Canon's C50 is gaining attention in the compact cinema market. The FX3, while excellent, has become somewhat dated and costly by comparison. An FX32 with cutting-edge sensor technology, made in Japan, and priced more competitively could be exactly what Sony needs to reclaim dominance in this segment. It would also appeal to hybrid creators, those who shoot both video and stills, looking for something smaller and more affordable than the FX3 but more capable than the FX30. Meanwhile, Sony isn't just focusing on cameras. A lens announcement event is expected around February 25th, where we'll likely see several new models, including the highly anticipated 14mm f/1.4 GM, the 14 to 40mm f/4G, and possibly a 16 to 28mm f/2 GM lens. These would expand Sony's already impressive lineup of G Master and G Series optics, providing even more options for wide-angle photography and cinematography. So even if the camera itself doesn't debut at the CP Plus show in late February, Sony shooters still have a lot to look forward to with these lenses. Looking at the broader picture, 2026 is shaping up to be a big year for Sony. Multiple camera launches seem likely, covering everything from high-end full-frame models to refreshed APS-C systems. Alongside the rumored FX32, we could also see the A7R6 in the second half of the year, possibly featuring a new high-resolution sensor. The long-awaited A7S4 could follow as a low-light powerhouse designed for filmmakers, and an A6900 might bring renewed attention to Sony's APS-C line. Even the ZV series, popular among vloggers, could get a new model, potentially the ZV-12 or ZV-12, aimed at creators seeking a compact full-frame option. For now, the most solid lead points to a new high-end camera registered as the WW84760, made in Japan, equipped with Wi-Fi 6, and scheduled for announcement within the next 2 months. All signs suggest that Sony is preparing to deliver something serious, possibly the FX32. Whether it arrives in March, April, or during the NAB show, it's clear that Sony's next big move will shake up the market once again. With new sensors on the way, exciting lenses coming soon, and a lineup refresh across multiple product lines, 2026 could be one of Sony's most ambitious years in recent memory. So for anyone invested in the Sony ecosystem, now's the perfect time to stay alert, because a wave of innovation is just around the corner.